Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So as discussed in my last video, I told you that I will be sharing one marketing strategy, digital marketing strategy with all of you that whenever you need to like share it in your college presentation or if someone is asking or providing you an opportunity where you need to share a marketing strategy, so you can use this PPT and you can share this stuff and also you can note down some points based on this video. So at first, we should understand the term marketing strategy. So a marketing strategy is a proactive data-driven approach to marketing and communication activity across all the channels and touch point wherever like or whatever touch points we are talking about or we will be using in our marketing strategy. So let's go through the content at first. Contents would be first thing is content, that is your content based on your company or your company profiles detail or the sector where your company is dealing with, and then target audience, then engagement analytics, then SWOT analysis, then medium promotions, finally push and pull strategy. Now let's cover one by one. But before that, I would like to share something about marketing strategy. So marketing strategy would be in such a manner that it should be informed by research, like it should like you are researching something and now you have got to know about the recent changes. So whatever recent changes is there, so you should implement these changes as soon as possible in your marketing strategy, so that you do not lack in any manner in future, or so that whatever tactics you have applied or whatever strategy you have made for your company, so it won't fail after a certain time. Now coming to first part, that is content. So content is nothing but something based on your company, say your company in company's detail or your company's objective, then core values, mission, vision, everything you need to understand to write the right content for your business or for your company. So to understand the content, it's good if you are reading around 4 to 5 articles, drafting the ideas or insights, whatever ideas and insights you have got from it or from the articles that you have read. Then do like start implementing them or start writing them. And once you are writing the ideas and insights, that is draft ideas, now start thinking on it alternate basis. Say if you are sitting right now and you are working on it, so it's not good if you are continuously working on it for 4 to 5 hours. You can come take a break after 1 or 2 hours. You can again think of some new ideas and you can edit it a bit. So I would recommend you not to finish it off within a day or 4 to 5 hours, but take 4 to 5 days to understand your business or like whatever company is providing you the opportunity to understand that company's profile, its objective, and then finalize the ideas. Next is audience. So choose relevant audience. Suppose your company is dealing with some women's clothing and you are targeting or you are putting advertisements on Instagram. So obviously your advertisement would be visible to men's and women's, old aged like old people or senior citizens. Anyone can view that advertisement on Instagram. So it would be worthless for you because based on pay per click you are paying, right? And if I am not like being a woman, I'm not clicking, but someone else who is a man, he is clicking. So it would be a kind of waste for your advertisement. That is, you are that she or if I she is not clicking and he is clicking. So again, it's a waste of your time and money. So choose your audience very carefully, wisely. Before choosing your audience, try to learn about your audience, demographics, location, and everything that can help you to understand your audience in a better manner. Now coming to engagement. So suppose you are making good posts and you are consuming a lot of time to make posts, you are sharing it in various channels to your account and everything. Like whatever thing is possible, you are just doing it, but you are not at all getting engagement, and you are unaware of this fact. So it would be something that will be wasting your time and effort. So you should understand the way or the like quality and the type of post that your audience is liking and they are disliking. If you are not getting impressions, like let's not talk about likes and comments. Let's talk about the engagement of the impressions. If you are not even getting the impressions, or if your post is not at all reaching to the right people, so it would be a worthless post, and your efforts makes no sense, because whatever thing you are doing, so for whatever purpose you are doing, so it is not at all reaching or meeting the expectations that you wanted to do, or that you wanted to like made that post for. So you should understand the importance of engagement with regards to your audience. If your audience is not at all engaging in your post, try to understand their requirement, try to engage your audience with right post at the right time. You should post any post or social post when it is the right time to post. It's not like everyone is sleeping and you are posting, and because you need to make the consistency and you need to do it, so will it will be a kind of waste of time. So what you have to do, you have to understand your audience, you have to research about it, what kind of sector or what kind of business you are into, and what kind or which country you will be targeting. Is it India, US, or something else? So for that matter, you need to understand the time zone and at what time your audience will be that will be they will be active the most. So understanding these things would be something that can lead great results to you. And yes, main thing I am forgetting, that follow up for feedback. Say if someone has posted a comment on your post, or if say so you have like made a good post and someone has dropped one comment, so just try to reach him or her out and ask if he or she is interested in your business, if he or she needs any kind of help. So it would be great if you are doing it on personal basis, so they'll feel good and they'll feel special, and they may convert into a good lead, or and they may become a good conversion for your company. Next is analytics. Now suppose you are doing good, you have understood your audience, you have get good engagement, and you are keep doing the same thing what you were doing from last 2 to 3 months, but still you are getting the same results. Like there is some decrement, but there is no upgradation what you are doing, or there is no nothing like something that you can say improvement or better results. So for that matter, what you need to do is you need to check the analytics on. I would say if you want to understand it and if you want to improve it by yourself, so it's good if you are checking on weekly basis. But if you have to report your manager, or if you want to share the reports or results that you have driven within 2 to 3 months, so it's good if you are doing it within a month, or say after 3 months, because then only you can get good or relevant results. Because saying that, having said that, relevant results, so you can't get results within a week or 15 days, because audience will keep changing. Number of people on your post or number of impressions on your post will keep changing. So you need at least 1 month to 3 months to get good number, to understand your audience, to get a good analytics that you can share with your manager. Coming next, that is SWOT analysis. So suppose your company is very good, like has some great points where it is working very well, say your company's strength. So your company's strength provides an area to list everything done right, either individually or as an organization. This section contains both strengths within the organization and external strengths such as client relationships, etc. So here, what you need to understand is the importance of strength. If your company is doing good in some point, at some points and in some areas, then it's good. You should leverage that point, and you should take benefit of your strength to like for the growth or for the betterment of your company. Next is weakness. You should understand your company's weak points, where or company's pain points, where your company is lacking as compared to competitors, or where your competitors are doing good but your company is not at all doing good, or your company is lacking somewhere, maybe some reason because of manforce or your resources, you don't have enough available resources that you can use to overcome this weakness, whatever it is. So you should understand the weakness of your company so that you can, I would not say weakness, but I would say like area of improvement. It would be area of improvement for your company, so you should understand it, you should work on it to get a better like to get better results within coming days or say coming years. Next is opportunities. So opportunities are the factors that represent reasons your business is likely to prosper, such as like being able to expand a franchisee into a new city, or say if like if there is something, I would say I would give an example of COVID. So if there is some situations like COVID, but every company has like shut down, but your company is doing good, they are providing products online, and if I say that your company has an online presence other than, but your competitors they don't have their online presence, so here it's an opportunity for you, because now COVID is time is going on, but your competitors are not at all performing through online media. I'm just giving an example. In this era, I think every company has their online presence. So I'm just giving one example to understand, to make you understand the way one can grab like the importance of opportunity, or one can take benefit of these opportunities. So yes, if like COVID time is going on and your company has a strong online presence, so you can leverage that point and you can take benefit of this opportunity. Next is threat. So threat include external factors, say your competitors. So threat is nothing but, I would say that if your competitors are doing well, but your company are not at all doing good. So if there is some demand, market demand, and your competitors are strong enough to make that like to understand the demand, and they have now working to fulfill that demand, but you are still figuring out how to do, what to do, you don't have enough resources and all these things, so it would be a kind of threat for you. Because threat, I what I got but what I like understand, or what I believe, that threats are nothing but just opposite of opportunity. If it is an opportunity for you, threat for your competitor. When it is threat for you, but opportunity for your competitor. So try to understand that threat, whatever threats you have, and try to do something good to overcome from these kind of threats. So it will be good for your company and growth, because there would be threat, undoubtedly there would be threat for every company. There would be some like some kind of threats for every company, but what you need to do is you need to understand those threats, and if possible you have to overcome from these like threats as soon as possible. So next point is medium. Medium is like understand your audience and the channel where you can get them most frequently. It would be worthless if you are sharing posts and you are putting ads on Facebook and Quora. If you are dealing with construction company, because I have observed that only a few companies has their Quora presence. So if you are posting ads there on Quora, so they are not going to see it, because they are not at all on Quora. Their presence is zero, almost zero on Quora. But if you are posting such kind of ads on LinkedIn, so you can reach your audience in a very simpler manner, and that would be very much beneficial for you. So you need to understand the media where you can approach, where you can reach out to your audience. I would suggest that if you want to run an ad campaign, so go for like LinkedIn. If there is no such restriction based on your audience, so go for Google AdWords. And if there are some restrictions based on demographics or countries, yeah, companies for countries, you can choose companies who have their limited targeting audience based on countries. So you can choose Google Ads. But if there are some age issues or some like targeting audience based on your age or say like various such demographic features, then you can get to go for LinkedIn, because LinkedIn provides like such a great features for when it comes to campaign. So you can choose LinkedIn for that matter and you can run your ad. And yes, microblogging, if I talk about, because it takes only like counted words, say 50 to 60 words on Twitter. So you can always choose microblogging or say Twitter for your company's purpose to hit a long or like long way or to hit a large audience for your company. And I would suggest you to write some articles bi-weekly or say once in a month, because articles can do miracles seriously. And if you are writing one article on LinkedIn too, like if you say within 15 days you are writing one article and you are covering one inspiring story based on your products and services that your company provides, so that would be great for you and for your audience, because doing this your company's audience or say your audience will be engaged enough, because I've seen that people don't prefer to read the text, but they love to watch videos. They love to understand and like some movie kind of thing. They love to watch it. Like based on the current situation, that is COVID. So we are not very much into reading big articles to read 700 to 1000 words. But if there would be some 3 to 4 minutes video, I would love to watch that. And so others are also loving it to watch it, because whenever I used to put a video, I used to get around 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 of impressions on my video. Maybe they are not going to like it, but at least they are reading or they are watching your content or they are watching your video. So that would be great if you are posting video at least within 15 days. You are posting one video based on your company or based on whatever work you are doing. So that would be great for you and for your company. And I would suggest you not to do any kind of marketing through WhatsApp, because people can spam your number and then you can be some under some fraud potential, and that would not be good for your company's profile. Now you can prefer YouTube videos, whatever videos you are posting on LinkedIn within a week or say within 15 days, you can post the same video on YouTube, and then you can check whether they are getting views or not. If they are not getting views, you can prefer various ways to increase the reach. Say you can share that video from your personal account and you can ask other colleagues or other employees to do the same, so that the videos can get at least 100 views. So yes, you can do it. So next is promotions. Talking about promotions, so when I talk about promotions, so promotions are one of the most successful ways to reach potential customers at a scale. But producing a campaign or say promotion is costly and time consuming, and there is no guarantee that you are going to get good ROI or not. Say if you are spending 1500 or 2000 rupees for 1 or 2 day promotion, and I would like I can assure you that you will be touching around I think 70,000 to 1 to 1.5 lakh of audience, or they will like these number can take a glance of whatever ad you have promoted or whatever ad you have posted, but I can't assure you that whether they are going to click on it or not. That you can do by strong keywords that you are going to put on it, and by your product. If your product is like some has some qualities or has some great features that is making it stand out from other products, so then only you can get good number of sales. So doing it, if I talk about your product, so the aim of promotion is to increase awareness, to create interest among people, to generate scales or to increase the sales and say sales, and also like brand loyalty towards your product or towards your brand. So these are some of the aims when it comes to promotion. So if you want to meet these aims, then you have to do a lot of activities. Activities include these advertisement and public relations. Say you are running some kind of polls and then you are polling something on say Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, you are doing it, or you have created one community on Slack, and then you are doing it. And in this digital era, I would suggest you to, if you are in business and if you are dealing with various like products, then it would be great if you have one community on Slack based on your customer, or you can ask your customers to join that community, and you can also ask people of your interest of similar interest or say similar business or some startup companies to join your community to like have at least 500 2000 of count in your community, so that whenever there is any event or say whenever there is any launch of new product, they can get to know and you can get at least good impression, not sales or conversion, but at least good impression. Because whenever there is a good awareness about your product, then people would love to share it, whether they are like buy or they won't buy, it doesn't matter, but at least they will share it. And if they are sharing it, there would be a set of people who would like love your product, and they will be placing the order saying say buy your product, buying your product, and everything that you want that will be beneficial for your company, so they will be doing the same. So now choosing the right platform for your promotion. If you are promoting your product on say Facebook, when you are dealing with the mechanical industry, so that will be worthless because no one is going to place an order through Facebook. But if you are doing it on LinkedIn and you are doing it through Instagram, then you can expect orders based on the keywords that you have used. So you should understand your audience, that where your audience would be in like large number, where you can get good number of audience of yours. So choose your promotion like platform really, choose relevant promotion or choose relevant platform for your promotion, for your relevant promotion. It's not like you are doing or you are like promoting something and you are using some irrelevant keywords or irrelevant kind of promotion you are running, so it would be worthless. So your promotion and your audience or your platform should be relevant enough to match with each other, so that your product can like get to reach lot of people. So this is all about promotion. So this is our last slide, that is push and pull strategy. So now coming to the main difference between these two. So the main difference is that search engine optimization, that is SEO, is focused on optimizing a website in order to get traffic from organic search results. That is, you are not spending any money on that, but you are getting results organically. On the other hand, when I talk about SEM, that is search engine marketing, so it is to get traffic and visibility from both organic and paid searches. Mostly, like when it comes to SEM, so it is mainly it is paid version of marketing. But also it also include SEO, that whenever you are getting some results from SEO, that is search engine optimization, again it is coming under SEM, but mainly it deals with PPC, that is pay per click. So let's put it another way, and let me try to share some other way to explain it more clearly. So when it comes to Google search results, so it is divided into mainly two categories. First one is paid search results. That is when you search something on Google, firstly you will get some paid results where there would be even like either AD ad on that result or sponsored. Like in between these two, there would be any one word in that advertisement or whatever link or meta description you will get. While downside that result, they are like after leaving one to two results that is ranking on Google first or second number. After that, there would be some organic search results. They are ranking on Google because of their strong website, because of the keywords and the hashtags that is there in their landing page, because of their strong website presence, because of the number of backlinks that they have in their website, so that they are like ranking on Google. Now, if I talk about the goal of SEO, the goal of SEO, that is search engine optimization, is to rank your website in the organic search results. You can also get your website in the paid area of the search results via pay per click. That is, you are paying something, and based on whatever amount you have paid, your website is ranking on Google. If you are paying for a week, then your website will be there for a week, and if you are paying for a month, then your website will be there for a month, and so on. So SEO is where you focus 100% on ranking in the organic search results, while SEM is when you tap into both SEO and PPC, that is pay per click, in order to get traffic from search engines. So that's the main difference between these two. So yes, SEM is a broad term that includes both SEO and PPC, that is paid per click, which means that SEO falls under the umbrella category of SEM. With that explanation out of the way, let's get into some of the main difference between SEM and SEO. So SEO is the practice of continually optimizing a website in order to rank it in the organic, non-organic, say non-paid search results. And then Google uses around 200 plus ranking signals in their algorithm, and based on the SEO, and based on that algorithm, SEO can be divided into four categories. First thing is on-page SEO, then off-page SEO, technical SEO, and user interaction signals. So now this is some different topics. I will be though this is not something important that we should learn. This is some technical part, so it's okay if we don't, like I know about him. I will be making one separate video for this because it's a good and big topic. So it will cover around half an hour of session. So it's not good if I'm like taking just 2 to 3 minutes to make you understand this. So yeah, that's it about SEM and SEO. So you can share this strategy with your marketing team and your with the company, whatever is providing, like from where you are getting some kind of opportunity. So yes, that's it about this presentation. So that's about this marketing strategy. Thank you very much for listening. So let's take a look again. This was my content. This was on my content. You can write whatever company name you are working for, or you are making this PPT. You can write after this strategy, or let's say digital marketing strategy for XYZ. And then you can also write your name downside this first slide, and then contents. These are the content. I will be sharing this PPT and attaching this will the description part of this video, so you can get it from there. You can download it and use it, and also you can edit it if you want. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you have liked this video and it will be beneficial for you. So yes, if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment for this channel. And whatever problems you are facing, you can share your problem with me. And if you want if you want me to make some particular video, or if there are some topics in your mind, just do let me know. I will be covering that topic too. And if you are looking for any kind of digital marketing opportunity, and if you want to switch your career from one profession to another, just let me know. I can tell you the process. You can follow it and then you can do it. So thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe for my channel. We'll be meeting soon with another stuff.